Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Tuesday, led by shares in the commercial and professional services, retailing, and tech, hardware, and equipment sectors. On the economic data front, the New York Fed's Empire State Manufacturing Survey showed few signs of improvement, with general business conditions reaching negative 16.6 in February. That's the lowest level since March 2009. Advancers, meanwhile, ahead of decliners, 93% of SP 500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Express Scripts reporting a fourth quarter EPS of $1.13 with sales of $26.2 billion, in line with last year. Cerner reporting fourth quarter EPS of 61 cents on sales of approximately $1.1 billion. And Boeing and OK Airways announcing a commitment for 12 737s, including 8 MAX 8S, 3 737 MAX 9S, and 1 next generation 737-900ER. Now, turning overseas, Asian markets, they were lower today. The Nikkei down 1.36%. The Hang Seng down 1.03%, and South Korea's Kospi down 0.23%. European markets, they are trading upward, in U.S. futures calling for a positive opening. Earnings releases expected for today include Priceline, as fourth quarter EPS is seen at $11.73 on sales of approximately $2 billion. Dr. Pepper Snapple fourth quarter EPS seen at 98 cents, while Marriott International fourth quarter EPS seen at 76 cents on sales of approximately $3.7 billion. On the economic docket today, early in the morning, we have MBA mortgage applications, while 8:30 sees housing starts for January, as well as building permits, and January's PPI, the final demand month over month. 9:15 sees January industrial production figures, and 2 o'clock this afternoon, we have the minutes from the January 26-27 FOMC meeting. Regarding the trend on indices, Trading Central says the SP 500 sees its intraday support around 1870. A support base at 1870 has formed and has allowed for a temporary stabilization. Long positions above 1870 are favored, with targets at 1914 and 1922 in extension. The Nasdaq seeing a bullish bias, preferring long positions above 4050, and the Dow Jones seeing limited upside, preferring long positions above 16,000.